Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I share this very simple and delicious shortbread recipe with you. Just a few ingredients and you will make these delicious addictive cookies. So if you are new here, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe and click your notification bell. Let's get into it. I'm using room temperature margarine for this. You can use butter if that's what you have. Just make sure it's soft room temperature, okay? I'm going to just loosen it up a bit and add some granulated sugar. So powdered sugar works best for this recipe, but today I have granulated sugar and I'm going to use this. I'm going to mix it very well until it becomes very light and fluffy. So remember that margarine has salt in it. So if you are using unsalted butter, you may want to increase the salt in the recipe a little bit or just leave it as it is if you are not a fan of salt. Once it's light and fluffy, just the way you are seeing this, I'm going to go ahead and mix together the dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I'm using soft flour. If you have all-purpose flour, please do use it. It also works perfectly, okay? I'm mixing my flour with some cornstarch and then some salt to taste. Always remember that the salt is to your taste. Mix this very well to make sure that it's very much well combined. And then bring back your margarine mixture or butter mixture and add some vanilla extract. This makes it taste so delicious, but you can omit it if you do not want it, and you can use any flavor of your choice. So now that we've mixed it nicely, we are going to go ahead and add our flour mixture little by little until we achieve the texture that we are looking for. So if you've watched me to this point, I want to really appreciate you all, both new and returning viewers. Thank you so much for your participation on this channel. Thank you for your engagement. I do not take it for granted. And if you are new here and you've not subscribed already, kindly do, as it helps the family to grow and reach wider audience. God bless you. So now that we are done mixing in the bowl, I'm going to generously flour my work surface and then transfer it and knead it for just a few seconds. Remember, we don't want to overwork this dough. If you have all-purpose flour, yes, you shouldn't overwork the dough or also to start developing gluten, okay? So just a few seconds to make sure it comes together. Then I'm going to put it in my bowl and then freeze it for 30 minutes. So I just want to mention that I divided the dough into two actually. So once it was out of the freezer, I took it out and onto my work surface it goes. I'm going to roll this with my rolling pin to the thickness I am going for. You want to flour it if your dough is too sticky, okay? Then you cut the sides off. Then you can cut it into the perfect shortbread rectangular shapes that we all like to have, okay? So you can cut them into any shapes you like. This is just the first and the common shape that we all know for shortbread cookies. I'm sure many of you have childhood memories about this. So onto our floured and greased baking tray it goes. So if you have a non-stick baking tray, you can just put some parchment paper or grease it to prevent it from sticking. So I have this round shaped bowl and I thought, why not make the round shaped ones? So I made the round shaped ones and I am going to get rid of the excess dough and use it for another. So I'm going to put it together and I rolled it into this one and I had two round shapes from here, and then I also made some more of the rectangular shapes. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything I made. And here we are. I'm going to poke the holes that we love to see in our shortbread cookies here. And then our oven is preheating at 160 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. Please keep an eye on it so that it does not burn. Once the biscuits were ready, look at how beautiful they look. Yes, very beautiful. I personally like the ones with the brown edges because it has crunchiness to it and it's absolutely addictive. So if you've watched me to this point, it means you love the content. Kindly give your girl a like and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to also read your nice comments. Till I post my next video, remember God loves you and has a great plan for your life. Bye.